So instead of using the modern technology, we have used some simple resources to do some good of the poor section of the society.
The laborers, the porters, they all carry a lot of load on their head, which affects their brain, neck and spinal cord, causing problems like cervical pain and headache.
So when the load is put on this load distributor, the ring transfers the weight through the sticks to this belt. This belt distributes the weight all over the waist, and the shoulder straps takes the weight on the shoulders too. So the weight which was just being concentrated on the head is now being distributed to all the three areas. So the worker feels much less pressure and can work even more efficiently.
And keeping in mind that in this scenario, we've tried to make the model a little cost efficient.
So as you can see, the model didn't cost us much, but when it would be in mass production, the cost would go further down and the worker can buy it for their own benefit.
And we even did some theoretical calculations in which we showed that a load of 10 Newton would only feel to be 3 Newton on the waist and 5 Newtons on the shoulders.
And we did some practical calculations in which we set an apparatus of 2.5 kgs and put both the sticks on different weighing balances.
On one weighing balance, it came out to be 1.29 kgs and on the other, it came out to be 1.21 kgs.
As you can see, both the figures are almost equal, which shows that the model will remain in balance and the weight will be distributed equally on both the sticks. So the model wouldn't go here and there.
We were interviewing some doctors to know what problems are caused to the workers when they carry such amount of load all day long.
जब वर्कर्स अपने सर पे इतना वेट उठा के ऑल डे लॉन्ग काम करते हैं तो उनकी क्या-क्या प्रॉब्लम्स आती हैं?
बेसिकली सबसे बड़ी प्रॉब्लम तो ये है कि उनसे जब जितना वेट उनकी सर के ऊपर होता है उससे सर्वाइकल बोन जो हमारी होती है, जो हमारी गर्दन को होल्ड करके रखती है, बेसिकली उनके ऊपर बहुत कंप्रेशन आता है। उसकी वजह से जैसे हमारी जो नसें हैं वो दर्द लग जाती हैं, उनकी वजह से हाथों में दर्द, गिड़गिड़ाहट, चक्कर आना, घबराहट होना, छाती में दर्द और इवन पैरालिसिस भी कई बार उससे हो सकता है।
And we even asked the workers themselves what were their pains and what were their sufferings.
आप सामान उठाते सर पे?
अभी 40-50 किलो का सीमेंट भी उठाता है।
अपना जोर किधर पड़ता है? या सिर के ऊपर सारा या
कंधे पे, पीठ पे?
इधर ही जोर आता है सारा।
मतलब हाथ पैर पे इधर थोड़ा तकलीफ रहती है आपको?
मतलब इतना वजन उठाने पे दर्द कहाँ होता है? अच्छा, यहाँ गर्दन पे ज़्यादा दर्द रहता है।
We even gave the model to the workers to try out.
And then we took their reviews.
थोड़ा चल के बताइए कि मतलब आपको सही में कुछ फर्क लग रहा है?
कौन लग रहा है ना इसमें से कोई?
मतलब आपका कमर पे वजन आया थोड़ा नीचे,
थोड़ा लगा?
जो आप नॉर्मल कपड़े पे लेके जाते हो उससे ज़्यादा अगर इस पे लेके जाओ तो आराम है उससे।
दे दीजिए शान को गरम लगा लेंगे। सही है,
अच्छा है,
मेरे लिए तो सही है।
So concluding, this model can be used by a worker, a porter, a hill climber, a village lady who carries water on her head, or anyone who carries anything on his or her head.
Basically, it's a model for the neglected class of the society.
So we have given it for patent to make it commercially available for them.